Hi everyone, this is Chika, and on this episode of Borrow Delights, I'm going to show you how to make my super simple and delicious blueberry jam squares. So I'm starting by placing 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, the zest of half of a lemon, some salt, and baking powder into my bowl. I'm going to use a wired whisk to mix these ingredients together until fully combined. Next, I'm adding in 1 large beaten egg and my butter. And you'll want to make sure that your butter has been softened to room temperature. Using a fork, I'm going to combine my egg and butter into my flour mixture until a dough starts to form. Now your dough will be a bit crumbly, which is perfectly fine. You'll just want to mix it until it resembles wet sand, and when pressed together, it holds its shape. I'm going to now place 3/4 of my dough into a lightly buttered baking dish. Using my hand, I'm just going to begin pressing my dough into the bottom of my baking dish, and then I'm just going to switch over to using the bottom of my measuring cup. I have here in this separate bowl some store-bought blueberry jam that I heated in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to loosen it up. And I've added some cinnamon to that, and I'm going to just stir these 2 ingredients together. Now I do have a blueberry sauce recipe that you can definitely use if you do not want to use store-bought jam, and I will of course link to that recipe in the description box below. I'm now going to pour my blueberry jam over my dough layer and just smooth it out evenly. Now I'm going to take the remaining of my dough and sprinkle it over my jam layer. This is going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the top is nice and golden brown. Once this is done, you'll need to let it cool completely before cutting it into squares. These blueberry jam bars are so easy to make, and they're not too sweet, making them the perfect breakfast treat. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please be sure to leave your comments below, and if you haven't already done so, be sure to click the subscribe button so that you can be notified when new recipes are posted to my channel. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Borrow Delights. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.